So moving on now, we've been able to import some data. Let's look at trying to get some of this data out so that you can complete that first combination of points with maps and then incorporating into a report or a project. So if you were feeling brave, you will have just clicked exit on QGIS without actually saving. And hopefully it will have prompted you to save your project, and you will have done. If not, you may need to go back and just work over again. If you have saved the project and exited out of QGIS, when you restart it again, you should be faced with a view like this, where recent projects with a little bit of a preview tile will be shown, giving you a bit of an option about what you may want to open up. If that's not the file that you want to open, you can just go up to Project and open from Recent, or just open and then go through Browser Files to find what you're looking for. But first project is what we wanted, so let's just open that up with a double click. And we are at the point that we left it at the end of the last video. So you can see the layers are there, and the view is how we initially wanted it. So there are two main ways of exporting the map view out of QGIS. One is as a PDF, the other is as an image, and they are variously useful depending on what you're trying to achieve. So if we go up to Project, it's not Save As we're looking for, we are looking for Import and Export. And if we go Export Map to Image as our first try, you'll get this box prompting you to put in some information. So this information will initially populate from the view that you're seeing in this box here. So the extent of the map view is the current map view, and the scale resolution is calculated by optimized characteristics from QGIS. You can edit it if you want to improve, for example, the resolution of the mapping for better printing, but generally speaking, QGIS will work out the best options for you. Now, if you don't actually want that map view, you want something a little bit smaller or edited within there, you can actually draw on the canvas to change the view. If I click on Draw on Canvas, I can select part of the map, and it's changed that extent on there, and it notes that it's now drawn on canvas. If I now click Save, that will save that file as a graphics file, which I can then go back to use, drag and drop into components. But actually, I may just want to get it straight into a program or file, so I can copy to clipboard. I clip it once, it will let me know the image has been successfully copied to clipboard. If I open PowerPoint, in this case, I can just right click and drop my picture straight down into PowerPoint, nice and quickly. As you'll see, that is the subset of the data, it's not the whole canvas. Conversely, if I go back to Save Map as Image and I look at Map Canvas Extent, that gives me this whole view. I can copy to clipboard, go back to the PowerPoint, and when I paste that image, you'll see that that's the whole of the view as per the view on QGIS. So I mentioned that's one of the two ways of exporting the data from here for use in other projects. The other is as a PDF. Very useful when you're sharing some information you don't want people editing or fiddling with the settings. So export map to PDF. Same thing, you can stipulate what area you want output. Obviously no copy to clipboard in this case, and a few other options here depending on the effects that you're using there, the particular way of outputting the data. Now we will click Save here, we'll just use the normal map view, and it will be a normal Save Map As, file type PDF, and we can just say First Project. And I'm just going to put this onto the desktop to make it nice and easy to find. If I minimize the project, the PowerPoint, we'll see now. May need a quick refresh. First project, and you can see we've got a nice PDF. And obviously you can work with that PDF as well and annotate that as you like. So you now have the ability using QGIS to input shape files, to change map views to the particular view that you want, to edit those points, to generate heat maps, and also to output that data as an image or a PDF. And we'll look at some more advanced options in future sessions. Now, don't forget, again, as you finish your map, to make sure you save your project before you close out. And see you in the next video.